Year-round blooming plants. Welcome to Seniors Gardening Advice. I'm Sam. Let me ask you something important. What if your garden could stay colorful and alive every single day of the year, even in the coldest months? What if you never had to stare at bare gray garden beds again? What if you could wake up every morning to fresh blooms no matter the season? Sounds impossible, right? It's not. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this happen with 12 remarkable plants that bloom constantly. If you're ready to transform your outdoor space and indoor home into a year-round paradise of color and life, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and join the Seniors Gardening Advice community. We share gardening wisdom every week that helps people like you grow beautiful gardens with less effort. Also, please like this video and drop a comment below telling me which season makes you miss flowers the most. Let's begin. Part 1. Understanding year-round blooming plants. Before we explore these amazing plants, let's understand what makes them different. Most plants sleep during winter. Most flowers fade when seasons change. Most gardeners accept that gardens have to look dull for half the year. But you're not most gardeners. You're someone who watches nature and wants more. You're someone who believes your home deserves beauty in every month. You're someone who understands that color brings joy, peace, and meaning to daily life. These 12 plants don't follow the normal seasonal rules. They keep blooming. They keep growing. They keep giving you their beauty when everything else seems to rest. Whether you have a tiny apartment with just a windowsill, a patio with a few pots, or a full garden bed, there's a plant on this list perfect for your space. These aren't difficult plants that need constant attention. Many of them actually thrive on neglect. They want to bloom. They're built to bloom. So stick with me through this entire guide. Share this with friends and family who love plants. Don't forget to like this video before you go, and subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice so you never miss a single gardening tip. These 12 plants might just change your entire gardening life. Part 2. Indoor Winter Perennials, Creating Year-Round Indoor Gardens. Winter perennial plant number 1, Wax Begonia, Begonia semperflorens. Let's start with a plant that truly works all year long. The wax begonia is what we gardeners call a true workhorse. This plant doesn't just bloom for a season. It blooms every single month of the year, from January through December, often without a single break. What makes the wax begonia so special? Its thick, waxy leaves and its unstoppable flower production. These compact plants fit perfectly on windowsills, balcony tables, and mixed containers. The flowers come in red, pink, and white, and they just keep coming. The plant has a helpful feature, too. It's self-cleaning. When flowers fade and drop off naturally, new buds take their place. You don't need to spend time removing dead blooms. The plant does this work for you. Wax begonias adapt to many different light conditions. They enjoy bright, filtered light, but they can also handle partial shade or full sun if you protect them from harsh afternoon rays. The thick leaves store water, which means these plants can survive short periods without watering. They're also naturally resistant to pests and diseases. This is a plant that wants to succeed in your home. Place wax begonias on a kitchen windowsill or tuck them into a hanging basket on a porch. Pair them with other plants that have darker or contrasting foliage like coleus for a really eye-catching display. For anyone with a busy schedule who still wants constant garden beauty, the wax begonia is ideal. It delivers color and charm with almost no effort required. That's the kind of plant every gardener needs. Winter perennial plant number 2, African violet or Sanpolia. Now let's talk about a true classic that deserves its reputation. The African violet is the beloved favorite of plant lovers everywhere. Once you grow an African violet, you'll understand why so many people collect multiple varieties. This plant will bloom for 10 to 11 months every year. That's almost constant color. The African violet has soft, velvety leaves and delicate flowers in purple, pink, white, and other beautiful shades. The best part? It doesn't need direct sunlight like many other flowering plants. It actually prefers bright, indirect light, the kind of gentle glow you get near a north-facing or east-facing window. This makes African violets perfect for apartments, bedrooms, and any room where harsh sunlight might be a problem. It's ideal for apartments or homes where window space is limited. The secret to keeping your African violet blooming constantly comes down to proper care. Bottom watering is the key technique. Fill a shallow saucer with room temperature water and place the pot in it. Let the plant drink for about 20 minutes. This method keeps water off the delicate leaves while letting the roots absorb what they need. Keep temperature steady between 65 and 75 degrees. Feed the plant once a month with a balanced diluted fertilizer and watch it reward you with endless blooms. There are over 2,000 different varieties of African violets available. You can find miniature types, trailing varieties that cascade beautifully, and many different flower colors and patterns. Every corner of your home can have a different African violet. Start with one